Hello. Another Blender tutorial from Chrysos Full. Today we are going to learn how to model clouds. Delete the default cube and add a UV sphere. Switch to edit mode and change the sphere's shape a bit in order to make it look like a cloud. Go back to object mode and add subdivision and displacement modifiers to the object. Under displacement, choose a cloud texture. Change the size and depth. Apply all the modifiers. Then add an empty volume. Go to Modifiers and choose Mesh to Volume. Pick the sphere's properties. Change the density to 1.7 and the voxel amount to 130. Add volume displace. Choose cloud texture again. Go to Render Settings and select Cycles as a render engine. Render the view. Thanks for watching.